bitter gourd fry in a Philips air fryer. So this is karela fry on the Philips air fryer. Cooking time is only about 10 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade. Bitter gourd is known in Hindi as karela and in Tamil as pavakka. It is a gourd-like vegetable with spikes on the skin. It has got large seeds. For many years, bitter gourd is considered as possessing anti-diabetic properties. I will put up a link on the anti-diabetic properties of bitter gourd. Check it out over here. The advantage of making bitter gourd in an air fryer is that you need not add much oil. You can do with little spices, and if you marinate it with salt, that salt will remove all the excessive bitterness. And then when you're ready to prepare it, you can add a little bit of spices and cook it in an air fryer. I'll be cooking it in the Philips air fryer. Philips has got a patented 360-degree air technology. Hot air from the top circulates through the tray of the oven and heats up the food from all directions, from above, below, from the sides and everywhere. So there is no need to turn the food. And since the food is heated uniformly circumferentially, the cooking time is also less as compared to other ovens. I'll show you that here. I'm making karela fry or bitter gourd fry for the first time in an air fryer, and as I didn't have any standards before, I am just relying on other YouTube videos where they have indicated that you need to preheat the oven and the cooking temperature is 300 degrees centigrade and the cooking time is 30 minutes. I'm going to try it at 200 degrees centigrade because that is the maximum for this oven, and I will be careful with the timing. I'll set it to 15 minutes, and in the middle of that I will remove it and see how it has grilled, and if need be I will cut short the frying time.
I've sliced the bitter gourd into circles like these. I've not removed the seeds and I've not removed the rind. I've added 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric to it. I'm going to marinate for about 30 minutes. Bitter gourd has got a lot of medicinal properties. It is claimed to lower blood sugar in diabetics and pre-diabetics. So if you're diabetic and pre-diabetic, you can add bitter gourd fry to your meals once or twice a week. I'm going to wash these to remove the excessive salt. Spread the bitter gourd pieces. 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala, adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Remember, we have already added salt but washed it out, so I'll be careful with the salt. Very little oil is required. So this karela fry will be cooked in the air fryer without adding much oil. I may spray some olive oil into the air fryer later after it is partially cooked. So you can see now that all the karela bitter gourd slices have got a uniform coating of the spices and they look red. Now I'm ready to add them into the air fryer. Place them in the air fryer and spread them uniformly. Since the air fryer tray is fully covered by these karela pieces, I'm going to cook the remaining in a separate installment later. So this I'm going to take and put it in the air fryer. Switch on the air fryer, pressing the power button, and increase the temperature to the maximum of 200 degrees centigrade
and set the time for 15 minutes. And press start. 10 minutes have passed. I'm going to just pause it. You can see that the karela is well cooked. From the sound you can judge that it must be crispy. We'll spray some olive oil. So it's quite brown and crispy. I'm going to cut short the process here because it is already cooked very nicely. If I let it fry for some more time, it may get charred. I'll now taste it. Yeah, it's tasty, not charred, and I'm going to be happy with that. We'll transfer it to the serving bowl. So this is karela fry on the Philips air fryer. Cooking time is only about 10 minutes at 200 degrees centigrade, as you have seen. It didn't require much oil. It didn't require much preparation except adding the routine spices. I just sprayed some olive oil on it and karela fry is ready. Karela or bitter gourd is an excellent vegetable for diabetic control, for blood sugar control. It can be eaten by diabetics and pre-diabetics once or twice a week. You can eat it with dal, chawal and curd rice. So you've seen that because of the rapid 360 degree air circulation technology, the karela fry was ready in 11 minutes. This is a great advantage. Here I use a temperature of only 200 degrees centigrade. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, share it with somebody. Let me know in the comment section as to how you are preparing bitter gourd fry. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel A.K. to see more videos like these. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.